It is just a moody ye never katano kureneso. Is that what you want to do? This is how you want to build your nation? You call Europe driving on the yes, the limit is 30. You can't drive more than 30 kilometers in Amsterdam. 30 kilometers. Because we try a camera, pam, 200 euros. The next day, 20 beba become. The next day, 20 open and go to here. It keeps multiplying. Kobe is 100. What the upper Cobro 100? Motorway that is connecting Almere and Amsterdam. Catch me, brother. Medium pay speed or say no, that's why we are 4 days here. We be free. Hanayaka 5,000. Yachiwa. There is not the offer. Yachimiu. I'm the divisional commander, your friend Abuaje. Kajan say open commander Abuaje number. Abuaje, hey, me boy no watch no. Jan Marenko. What kind of nonsense is this? What do you say? Abuaje Jan Marenko. Oh Jan Man, unim near why? We are the one near why. And this is the thing. We are the one sorry them. And we are praying, God, bless our nation. God does not bless nonsense. Change your mind. See someone again that day. First message Jesus preached. Repent. Simply means change your mind. Obedience is an agreement. And sana will be a baby decrease which in one pan which my fast and you know the use which we call you in a who say Ghana for me not like if you drew much, but me too quite who say there are people sitting somewhere who love truth. Oh yeah, they love because yes, apostles, mommy Kenyan. I will not have a man and his wife and his children drive all the way from Germany to Amsterdam just to attend a one-night service. Adentra. Sofonoa oka nyamesemno. Now I'm thinking. Asofo na asom kenyamsem. And then we'll be and then Germany hon tena hon tiebi.